solve log base 5 of x plus log base 5 of 4x minus 1 is equal to 1. Now, the way we're going to solve this is first we're going to combine these two logarithms. Because they have the same base, we can combine them. And the way we do that, because we have a sum of logarithms, we're going to be multiplying their arguments, the part inside. That's the product law of logarithms. And so we end up with log base 5 of x times 4x minus 1 is equal to 1. And now we have this form where we can convert it to exponential form, because we take the base of the logarithm, raise it to the power of the number on the other side, and that's equal to the part inside. And so we get 5 to the first power, which is just 5, is equal to, and I multiplied this out, x times 4x is 4x squared, and x times negative 1 is minus x. And so we have this, and now it's a quadratic equation, so we're going to move all the terms to one side. 4x squared minus x minus 5. And we can actually factor this to 4x minus 5 times x plus 1. And we solve for x, and we get x is 5/4 and negative 1. However, we got two answers here, but actually, if we have to plug in both of these answers back into the original equation to see if it works. And notice that if we plug in negative 1, we're going to get the log of negative 1. And we cannot take the logarithm of a negative number. And so x equals negative 1 is actually not a solution. It's called an extraneous solution. So the only real solution to this equation is x equal to 5/4.